na letter ang grading nyo or okay lang number muna? Para mas specific, anong grade grade. So yeah, so let's start with our lecture proper. So from now on, since medyo hindi ka kayo nag-pay attention sa lecture, bawal na mag-extracurricular activities. So dati okay lang matulog, okay lang mag-buhat ng laing grades, but since wala man na-apply ang lecture, no? So let's be very strict na nagpapinaw. So pencils down and lengthy your ears. Pencils down. Okay, so lecture na tayo. Ready na mag-lecture? Okay na magkain. Sige. So, since sumanat na sa floor plan, so dapat master na natin ang floor plan. Very important, kaya mag-one-on-one assessment in the next week. But for now, let's move on to the next topic, which is roof plan. So you would assume na mag-elevation na ta, mag-section na ta, but kung mag-move on ta sa elevation or section, and then we don't know what the height of our roof, saan siya nakaslope, anong angle, then anong ilagay natin sa elevation. So that's why ang next topic is roof plan. So there are many types of roof plans, so maybe some of them are not here, but ang very common for us here in the Philippines, right? Gable roof and hip roof. Why? Because we are in a tropical weather, so the volume of the rainwater, madami talaga. So we prefer this type of roof compared sa flat roof. So although flat roof yan kung tawagin, nakaslope pa rin yan siya, hindi nyo lang pansin. But that's why we prefer this one kasi ito prone to leaks. This one, yung solar radiation or even the rainwater na maano siya dito sa one side. So better dyan ang this one. So kung medyo maarte, medyo extra, so that's the time na mag-touch roof or mag-side roof na tayo. But still, one sleeper is very common. Even dormer roof. So yeah, so we're gonna be focusing on this one for our, even this one actually, hip roof. Kasi ito yung mahirap gawan ng roof plan. Hip roof. So kung Tagalog yan siya, gable roof, ano difference? So two angles, two sloping sides of the roof. So kung Tagalog, dos aguas, kasi nga two angles ang roof niya. And then while the hip roof, dos aguas. So ang hip roof is 4 aguas kasi 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides ng roof ang naka-angle, ang naka-slope. So how do you start with your roof plan? Actually, it's very easy, but you can follow these 5 steps. You can have your own steps, but para to follow lang ano are required for our activity and for our play, we have these 5 steps. So, isa-isahin natin siya. So first, di ba, humanat na sa floor plan. So identify the outline or perimeter of your floor plan. So this, let's assume this is your floor plan. Exterior face, dili interior, dili center, but exterior face. So i-plot mo yan ngayon, but use broken line, dash line, and very thin line na. So that's your guideline para maka-plot ka ng number 2. Your eaves. So, familiar na ba mo sa eaves? So, yan yung nag-extend from your exterior wall. So, ito yung kanina broken line natin. So, again, i-guideline natin yan siya kasi yan yung offset natin for our eaves. So, yan yung extension. So, again, to divert the direct sunlight. So, it's very important na meron tayong eaves. So, how wide do we usually apply sa eaves? So, there's no really rule for it. Depende sa iyong structural design. Kung ilan ang kaya, you can go as wide as 1 meter, 2 meter. But usually, kung typical house lang, 750 mm to 900 mm. So, bawal na din matulog ha, para sure tayo na naminaw with ha. So, in meter, 750 is what? Naka-glasses. In meters. 7.5. Ganyan kalaki.
Ay, sorry.
0.75.
Why 75?
So, na-apply natin yan yung sa sukat-sukat natin sa furniture. temperature last meeting, di ba? So I hope familiar na mo. Unsang height sa chair? Kuasa ka nagaling ko. Guess lang. Di ba ko? Ilan man eh, ha? 0.7. So actually, murag kanya medyo high chair na siya. So usually 0.4, 0.45 kanya ang height sa iwang chair na normal, ordinary chair. So di ba familiar na tapos, ingon lang po din yun na unsa ang height sa table? 9 meters. Dili, yun na, kay 9 meters, napangkay na. So, ideally, so mga 0.9, 0.8. So, kabalo na kadaan na, there's something wrong with the unit na ginaingunin mo. So, sige, balik na dili. So, 0.75 to 0.9. So, as you can see also here sa picture, meron siyang gutter. So, dito, wala yan siyang gutter kasi kung mag-gutter ka, wait lang. Wala. Okay. So now step 5 pa pala yung step gutter. So yeah, anyway, so extend mo yan siya for your eaves, and then solid line na yan siya. So again, bakit broken line? Kasi top view ito ng roof. So kaya broken line because nasa ilalim yung exterior wall, as you can see there. So kaya broken line. But we use solid line for the roof line of your eaves. So, sige yan. And then for the step 3, identify the length of the rectangle made. So, before ka mag-start gamit ng 45-degree angle, identify mo ang major roof and then yung minor roof para alam mo anong ma-idea ka na kung ano ang size ng majority of the roof. So, majority of the roof, kaya ito talaga, and then ito, nag-extend lang siya, nag-protrude lang yan siya. So, from there, you use your 45-degree triangle. Again, here in the Philippines, we use 45-degree. Although not ibang countries or even sa houses, they use less than 45, but medyo off lang siya. Kasi mas ma-reach natin yung minimum height or slope ng roof kung naka 45 degrees. So, mas matapit niya siya sa plumbing, but for now, we use 45 degree. So, you can, in drawing your guidelines, so every corner, magbutang yung ka 45 degree. So, nga ko nagbutang diri. Kaya again, di ba, ginatry na ko imagine ang major shape sa, nagbutang ko ano. Doesn't mean na solid line ako na siya. Guidelines lang yan. So, you can extend as much as you want para malaman mo ano ang mga points ang nag-intersect. Kasi kung saan nag-intersect, meaning yan yung highest point mo. Yan yung apex ng roof mo. So, madaming points na nag-intersect. So, from there, what will you do? So, you connect this with vertical or horizontal line. So, alam ka naman mag-vertical line ako dyan. Siyempre, hindi. So, you connect the apex, kasi nga diba ito yung major roof. So, you know na this one, naka-hip roof na yan siya. So, lagyan nyo lang yan na solid roof. That's one big hip roof already. So, since may nag-extend man, so meaning hip roof din yan siya. So, how will you connect this extension to this one? Then, that's the time na mag-introduce ka na ng vertical and solid lines. And even here, mag-45 degree ka. Diba? So, now you see how important your guidelines is. Kung will I come up with this roof kung wala akong naglagay ng guideline dito from the major shape? Diba, hindi mahirapan ako. You can do it kasi alam mo na connected siya there. But it's easier again kung i-imagine mo yung major shape of the roof. So, from there, guidelines ka lang, 45 degree, horizontally, and vertical lines, i-connect mo, you come up with this one. So, in reality, ito yung parang kanal, I don't know what's the formal name, no? But, di ba, ma-imagine nyo na may kanal siya dito. So, bakit natin siya gitanggal ito na line? So, may iba, common mistake is, kung ano talaga ang guideline, kaya solid line talaga. So, you have to remove this one. Kasi in reality, anong purpose ng line na yan? Wala, di ba? Lahat ng rainwater papunta dyan. Papunta dito, papunta dito. Ma-imagine nyo, di ba? So, same din dito. So, so from there, you come up with this one. So, Pwede din nyo i ang guidelines, but definitely make sure na i-pen and keep nyo ang final rule. So from there, we come up with this one. And then, so as you can see, wala siyang gutter. So again, common here in the Philippines, meron taga tayong gutter. Kasi easier na ma-collect ang rainwater. And actually, required din na meron tayong rainwater catchment. So dapat we need to collect the rainwater. So from there, we need gutter para easily ma-collect ang water. Papunta lahat ang water dito and then mag-downspout ka na lang. So, ang flow ng water centralize ang collection of water. So, ano ang dimensions ng gutter? So, usually, so again, depende how big your roof is. Baka super laki na din ang roof mo. So, you need it to be like 350. But for a typical house, you can use 250 to 300 mm this one. So, ano ang ano meter ng 300 mm? 300 mm in meters. So, yeah. So, 0.3 meter or 300 mm. So, parang ganyan lang yan siya. So, yan ang detail. So again, ano lang yan siya? Sa plate na natin ito ma-apply. But for now, sa ating plate, today sa class is no gutter muna tayo. So, from there, ano ang important is you put your dimensions, your slope, and details. So, i-label nyo ang building footprint, roof line. So, ang main roof, okay lang wala. And then, you put the dimensions in such a way na klaro kung pila ang tips na i-extend, even the midpoint, saan pa ba? The whole roof itself. And, very important is ang direction ng angle ng rainwater mo. So, definitely, it's either up, down, left, right lang. So, common mistake is pinapaslat nila na or ka na naka 45 degree angle. So, mali na siya ha. Options lang is up, down, left, right. Okay? Para formal. So, from there naman na. So, very easy. So far, okay lang? Yeah. So, this one, it is an actual plate na kahit ako nalisudan kong correct sa iyang plate. So, an example of a complicated roof plan. So, okay. So, asa na lang major shape? So, kanin, ang major shape. Nag-extend, okay, dali lang. But, dili, medyo nagkalibog-libog na diba? Kung asa pa siya i-connect. So, yeah, so dapat, so doing this, no, daghan ka kailangan na guidelines sa 45 degree. And then you really need to imagine. So, ito, mali yan siya. Papunta ba dito? Diba, papunta? Diyan, bababa yan siya. Kasi ang rain is here. So, imagine nyo ang direction ng GI sheet, di ba? Kaya ang direction ng GI sheet, di ba? May nakita naman kayo GI sheet na horizontal or direction? Di ba wala? Pababa lahat kasi you want to direct the rainwater towards the natural ground line sa soil mismo. So, again, examples. So, again, 45 degree. So, kung complicated, again, cut it into segments, find out the major shapes, and then from there, from every corner, no, maglagay ka talaga ng guideline, and then from there, it will be easier to connect the line. So, again, di ba makita nyo na ito ang canal, no, lahat ng rain papunta dito. Although, pababa talaga yan siya, but in reality ba, na makita nyo na this one diverges the water there. Okay, so, in reality din, no, makita natin ang finished product, but inside there are truss systems. So, dito na tayo magka-problema. Kung hindi mag-match ang elevation nyo sa roof plan, magka-problema tayo sa structural, which is may mga truss systems, hindi sila mag-connect, himig siya. So, big problem yan siya. So, example also of this one. So, ito, may gutter siya or wala? Meron. Kasi ito yung roofing material and then nag-offset siya. So, this is your gutter. So, ito, as you can see, kung roof plan yan siya, dapat kung ano makita niyo sa taas, yan ang i-draw niyo. So, same ito, you can assume that this one is from the ground floor. So, siguro ito yung carport. So, yan ang expected home natin. So, it's okay. So, remove muna the grid lines. But sa ating major skills, so, kung may grid line, kailangan din ng grid line sa ating roof plan. Kasi, so you will know kung sa elevation, very important ang grid line. So, you will find out next meeting when we make our elevation. So, same dito, di ba? Ang material is kung saan papunta ang ray. Kasi, na-imagine nyo kung pag ganyan, so paano ang ray? Papunta lahat dito instead pababa. So, very important. Kung nakakitubang tao na malinjod, no, na instead of pag ganyan, kung saan papunta ang ray, mabaliktad nila. So, common mistake din yan siya, believe it or not. So example of this one, guideline ka, di ba, major shape, bayan niya siya. Di ba, so tagbutang ka, triangle guideline, so same ani. So, ano ang final? Dapat ang final ito. Remove this line. Kasi in reality, so ito yung mga useless lines. So, solid line nyo yan sa roof line nyo. Ano ang gamit ng line na yan? Wala. So, remove that sa roof line nyo. So, yeah, this is an example of a combined ground floor and second floor. So, again, siguro sa baba, sa ground floor, mayroon kang mga trellis sa balcony mo, sa terrace mo, or even sa second floor balcony. So, you can show that here also. So, for our A8 brick home play, the design challenge is you have to design your room. So, if you want to introduce also trellis systems or what, so you have the freedom also. So, an example of a many overlapping roofing design. So, kayo bahala. So, as you can see, no, medyo off siya. So, makita nyo ang difference ng 45 degree to a, ganyan. So, example again, just so you can imagine yung kanal na ginamit natin, di ba? This one, medyo complicated na siya kay varying heights of roof na. So, again, ito yung kanal na nakita natin. For this one, parts of the roof na lang, wag na natin yan. So, familiar mo kayo sa ginabalay? Kay Kramer, So, kung nagtanong mo sa house tour, di ba, asa yung gutter? Dapat siya yung gutter? So, actually, hindi na siya bago. What we do is, parang, kaya kung mag-gutter mo, kailangan ng kumbaga, kaya ginatago nila itong, ano yan? Ano yun? Downspout. O, kailangan makapal yan para itago niya yung downspout na lagay yan para mga kukod. So, well, what they did, para walang mga kukod na makita or yung downspout, diba, they're able to achieve na manipis lang siya. So, what they did is, meron siyang inside gutter. So, wala nila, instead na dito sa dulo, na dito si gutter. Although, yeah, it's good, but prone to leaks din siya. Pili ka kung saan ang mas but it works na pa rin. So, it's cleaner, mas minimalist siya kung tingnan. Ayan o, makita nyo. Ayan ang copy. Okay, so any questions? Okay, so for our next plane, roof plan. So, freehand roof plan, A3 paper, pen and ink. So, name, front page, upper left. So, what you will do, I suggest, so any paper lang, this is a 8-item, manyatak name. 8-item plate. So, what I suggest is you take a picture and then i-trace nyo na lang siya sa phone nyo. Or, for this one, it's a basic square floor plan. So, what you will do, number one, improve. And then, number two, number three, yeah. Forget nyo, 1, 2, 3, 4, use this square floor plan, standard roof plan. So, anong kulang natin? Grid line. But since of course, wala man tayong grid line na talagang drawing. So, since tayo pa, isa-isa lang naman, so okay lang na wala muna yan. So, meron ding section line. So, we can use that. Next week na, mag-topic natin na sections and elevations. So, next, topic natin ang correct answer. So, kung tama, kung perfect square, ganito ang inyong kalabasan, which is 1 apex lang. So, kung medyo may extension, may horizontal line or vertical line, okay lang din. So, for the gable, walang 45 degrees, but just a simple line. Next, so kung this one, kung merong extension dito, okay lang din, kasi meron mo talaga din dyan. But definitely, same sa gable na straight line.
Ay, dumating ka po?
Okay lang kung isa lang.
Ma'am, ano po ulit sa number sa slide? Sa number 2?
Number 2 line in between lang. Pero diba, kung i-top view nyo yan, ano mo makita nyo? Ito lang na line, diba? So same ito. So medyo confusing nyo siya. So kung tingnan nyo, ito lang 45 degree, kaya ito lang naka 45. And then, top view nito, same sa gable roof na straight lang. So kaya straight lang siya dyan. Then for this one, so yan lang din. I think ang may ibang mali ginawa nila is, yes, ito ang major roof. So nag 45 degrees sila dito. And then wala nilang i-erase. So wala yan siyang unnecessary line. So you have to remove that. Kaya diba?
Yes.
Ito lang kailangan natin kay siya medyo parang kanal niya for this to side. Next, for number 6, you don't need to connect this one kasi ito ang major roof. Therefore, ito ang highest peak. So, ito lower lang yan siya. Okay. Next, for number 7, so nakaseparate, shed type roof lang. So, pwede na naman punta dyan, kayo bahala. Basta one direction lang ang roofs niya. And then, so common mistake also, ito ang major roof. So, maybe nag 45 degree ka din dito. So, again, useless line. You have to erase that. Lahat ng, realistically, ang rain water, mapunta lang yan lahat dito. Okay? So, may imagine nyo na ba? So, for number 8, since separate ito, kayo bahala ko lang sinang 45 degree pa kayo dyan. Okay lang din. Yeah, you can. Questions? Okay. So, get your triangular scale. Let's talk about scale. Kasi even though nag-one-on-one na ako sa inyo, may mali pa rin ang scale.
Akay mali, Zay. Akay mali. Wala akong...
So for room plans, interior elevations, so meaning nga dapat makita ang ceiling height, ang mga types of furniture. So we need a bigger detail. That's why bigger scale din gamitin natin. So 1:20, 1:50. So component detail drawings like details ng table. Di ba? Paano ang connection details niyan? So it really needs to be big na. So we use 1:10. 1:5, that's very big na. So, how about this one, na malaki naman na area? So, location plan, key plans. So, yan yung mga condominium floor plans, sa mga mall, evacuation plan, that's very, example na, di ba? So, usually, sino nag-request niya? Mga urban planners. So, yeah, so we use 1:1250, 1:1000. Kapag tangali ha, so make sure sa drawing nyo, lagyan nyo ng roof plan, and then scale is followed. So again, mag-design ba ng floor plan? No. So you just follow this. So what you will do is, for AA, is the side A. Sige, go, read. Okay, scale?
1:100 meters.
So main roof. Meaning, main roof is this one. So, kung let's say sa ground floor, makita man to, kung makita niyo yan, ito ka ng garage line. So, kung gusto niyo na mag-separate roof kayo dyan, extend nyo pa yan, mag-release kayo, kayo bahala. Mag-shed type kayo, mag-butterfly roof, kayo bahala. Basta ang main roof, bawal ang shed type and ang flat roof. Dapat, pwede kayo mag-gable, pwede kayo mag-hip roof. So, show butter and roofing material and it should be color rendered.